What if I told you that you can make $100 per day, you don't have to sell anything, and it's something that happens every single year like clockwork? Over 130 million Americans have to do this thing, and so it's an opportunity for you to kind of build in something that would bring you consistency over a span of 4 months. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, if this sounds good to you, make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to lay it out for you step by step. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to expose you to an industry that over 130 million Americans have to do. It's a non-negotiable. You have to do it. I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day or more. I'm going to give you content ideas. I'm going to show you examples of people that are already doing this. Now, the cool thing with this is we can actually use ChatGPT and AI to help us. What I'm a huge proponent of is using it as a tool in our toolbox and not our entire marketing department. So if we look at ChatGPT, it says 168 million individual tax returns are expected to be filed. And that's the opportunity. 168 million individuals is the opportunity that we're going to take advantage of. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, we're going to take advantage of the tax niche. It's something that happens for about 4 months here in the United States. We get our taxes in at the end of January, and it's expected that we have them filed by April 18th, give or take a couple days, depending on when the 15th lands. So if the 15th lands on on a Saturday, then it's the next business day, usually that Monday or Tuesday. But in this video, I'm going to lay out step by step how you could get up and running. And like I said, we're going to use ChatGPT, found an affiliate program that has a 100% acceptance rate. And the only thing you need to do is you need to get people to book an appointment. They don't even have to show up, really. You get them to book an appointment and you make $10 per customer. If that sounds good, leave a like because I think this is a really cool opportunity. So what I did, I jumped over to ChatGPT and I said, what questions would be asked if they need their taxes done or are having trouble filing their taxes? That's a weird sentence, but this is what ChatGPT returned. What documentation do I need to provide for my tax return? Can you explain the deductions and credits I might be eligible for? So these are all questions that people are asking. Questions for specific tax issues. I received a notice from the IRS. Can you help me understand what it means and how to respond? I haven't filed my taxes for past years. So these are questions that people might be asking if they ultimately need help with their taxes. I came down and asked ChatGPT very plainly. I'm an affiliate for, I get paid $10 for every booked appointment. What keywords should I use to attract people that need to use my service? And so it actually came up with a few different ideas. Now let's take a look at YouTube. I typed in YouTube best tax and you can see tax software, tax filing service, best tax software, best tax deductions. People that are looking up tax deductions need to file their taxes. But if we take a closer look, best tax filing service, you can see that this one has 2.3 thousand views, uploaded just 1 month ago, and Becca only has 3,000 subscribers. Now what we can do is we could actually take a closer look at Becca's account, but if we scroll down, you can see that tiny YouTube channels are doing this exact thing, and so there's no reason, there's no excuse for you not to do it. You are simply going to create content about the best tax service or best tax preparation software. If we come back over to ChatGPT, you can see state tax preparation. So people might be asking, how do they file taxes in their state? How to file taxes in Wisconsin and wherever else. But if we look at this, again, the basics of tax preparation, 133,000 views, 5,000 subscribers. And so what's going to happen is a portion of these people are going to look at this, the basics of tax preparation. This is going to give them a headache. And so then they're going to look for other alternatives, and Jackson Hewitt could be one. They're going to look for other alternatives, and the program that we're going to partner with could be that one. And then that's how we make the $10 per. But if we look at this, you can see that this is where all of the small creators are hanging out. 91,000 views. And again, we see Becca here, 3,000 subscribers. Let's take a closer look at her channel and we look at the videos, but you can see she is talking about taxes, Cash App tax. That could be a keyword that we use. 5 ways to file taxes on your own, 2.3 thousand views, 15,000 views, H&R Block. And so hopefully you're starting to see that there's lots of opportunity in this space. In just a moment, I'm going to reveal the affiliate program that we're going to partner with, but this is such a cool opportunity that very few people are talking about. And let's see how Becca here is monetizing. So we're going to take a look here, and it looks like Cash App taxes. It looks like what's new, ready for tax season, important deadlines, what's a W-2 form. So she, quite honestly, she probably isn't monetizing to the best of her ability. Maybe if she's an affiliate for Cash App, she would be monetizing to the best of her abilities. If not, that's okay. But hopefully you're able to see that the keywords here, tax preparation service, we'll copy this. and then we can plug it right over into YouTube, and you can see once again lots of views here. But maybe you don't want to do YouTube. Maybe you could try this over on TikTok. Go to tiktok.com and we enter in tax preparation service. Now look at this, 20,000 views, 22,000 views, 10,000 views, 26,000 views. And the cool thing is you could essentially create the same content every single year. Tax preparation service 2023, tax preparation service 2024 and 25 and 26 until oblivion. In addition, let's go look at some other keywords that we could potentially create content. Tax brackets of 2023, those people are probably interested in filing their taxes. But if we look at this, I just typed in tax and there are over 1.7 million keywords. Tax return calculator could be another great one that funnels people into the affiliate program that I'm going to reveal in just a second. But if we look at this, we do tax return calculator. Once again, where you see TurboTax here, how to estimate your personal taxes. That's a really good keyword, 109,000 views. Look at this one, how to calculate your tax return free in 5 minutes, 12,000 views, 17,000 subscribers. So there's lots of opportunity here that you could potentially take advantage of. Look at this, calculating federal income taxes using Excel, 22,000 views, 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully you're able to see that there's lots of opportunity in this space. And again, you could make $10 per appointment booked. In just a moment, like I said, I am going to reveal some of these opportunities for you. The one that I found was Best Tax, and we hit the spacebar here, Best Tax Filing Software. Let's go to 2024, so new and current. The College Investor, 2.3 thousand views, 18,000 subscribers. And if you're looking for more ideas and inspiration, just open up some of these different YouTube channels. The Modest Wallet, he has 575 views. Now again, these are very targeted views, and he has 2,000 subscribers. We look at his account and we scroll through. Some of his videos are doing pretty well for the size of his channel. And again, all we need to do is get people to book an appointment. They don't have to buy anything, at least up front. And usually with these tax prep companies, if they're getting a refund, they'll actually take the money out of the refund, so they don't actually have to pay any money out of pocket, which can be pretty cool for you and for the customer. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the program that I've been discussing. So what we need to do is we need to go to impact.com and sign up. Impact.com is an affiliate network. Now there are two types of ways to become an affiliate for a program. One is by using an affiliate network like impact.com. ClickBank is probably the most familiar one that most people know about, or you can apply directly to the affiliate program, for example, like Amazon.com. The difference between impact.com and becoming an affiliate for Amazon is you have to first apply and get accepted to the affiliate network. The affiliate network will pay you out directly, so you can be an affiliate for multiple companies. You'll get all of the marketing materials you need and submit any applications. What you'll do is once you apply to impact.com, you're going to go down and find Jackson Hewitt. Now, as you can see, you will be paid $10 for an appointment book, and their cookie window is 7 days. Now, if we look down here, the average 30-day earnings per click is only 38 cents. It's not great, but look at the acceptance. A lot of people complain about getting accepted to different affiliate programs. This one has 100%. Now, if we compare that to H&R Block's acceptance is just 6%. However, if someone registers, you don't get anything. An online sale, you get up to 8%. Their cookie window is 30 days, and software download 1% 30 days. But I mean, I went over to Impact and I just looked up the different tax software, and there's so many different opportunities. As you can see, FinTech, TaxFix, but like I said, I looked at Jackson Hewitt, but even Cash App has some sort of affiliate program that you could potentially join. Look at this. So if we look, okay, so it looks like they aren't offering any affiliate program at this time. But again, if you sign up to the Jackson Hewitt, you get 10 people to book an appointment per day, you simply earn $100. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use these keywords, so best tax software. You're going to give a list, you're going to answer the question, here are the best tax software for 2024. And then you're simply going to say, hey, if you have tried filing taxes in your past and you got audited, or if you're struggling to submit your W-2, click the first link in the description to my #1 recommended tax filing service. Now you're going to meet with them in person, but they're going to take care of you. And then people, a segment of the population, are going to click your link and they're going to book an appointment. Now, ideally, you're probably going to get like 1% of those people, maybe less, that click on your link and book an appointment. But if you do videos 3 times a week, 4 times a week, whether it's here or even on TikTok, you have the potential of making very good money within those 4 months. Again, there are over 168 million individual tax returns. Out of that 168 million, a large segment will actually do it themselves. And if they've had issues in the past, they're going to be looking for help. And a lot of these people will want to sit down and look face to face with the person that they're filing with. So guys, let me know what you think about this opportunity. It is March 3rd today. Tax filing day in the US is, I believe, April 15th this year. There's still opportunity if you wanted to try this out. I encourage you to try it out and report back and let us know how it goes. Now that you've watched the video on how you can make $100 per day by simply getting people to sign up, watch this video next. It's about affiliate marketing. It'll teach you a little bit more about affiliate marketing.